have pencil? Color? Can I open?
No pencil. She don't have color.
Ah!
Red.
Apat-apat si yan sila.
Sami.
Hindi niya tayo nakita yan.
Ha?
Hindi niya tayo nakita yan.
Okay guys, look here, Kuya Al. Are you ready? Pati si Mami ready na. Okay, music please. Go! One more! One more! One more! One more! Alright, do you want more dance? Okay, do you know the song Aram Sam Sam? Okay. Aram Sam Sam. Little bit faster. Okay, even faster. Okay, one faster. One more. Alright, let's clap our hands now. Okay. So, ginagawa ko lang si remain standing, okay? Remain standing. Remain standing, okay? Kami isa, ipa-close po natin yung para sa kids po. Again. Okay, kids, after our warm-up exercise, we will proceed with our parlor games. Do you want to play a game? to your right, okay? Okay, listen kids.
Ang gugulo eh. Ang gugulo ng mga bata. Harap lang po sa
When I say go, pass the ball in 3, 2, 1, go! You can sit kuya, I will tell you again later, okay?
Sit down, sit down.
Who's holding the ball there? Okay, Ate, you can sleep first. Okay. Okay. Now, pass the ball. Okay, thank you. Thank you, kuya. Okay, now pass the ball. I want you to dance while passing the ball. Dance, kids, dance. Stop. Who is holding? Thank you, Ate. Birds. Thank you, birds. Pass the ball. Thank you. Okay, pass the ball. Stop. Thank you. Okay, pass the ball. Let's get it started. Stop. Who is holding the ball? It's Kuya, right? Thank you. Give it to Kuya. Pass the ball. Stop.
Ayan si Moises. Ayan si Moises. Yan may hakot sa tayo.
Thank you, Kuya.
Hindi ako ang wala.
Ah, yan.
Pogi pala eh.
Okay, pass down. Stop. Okay, dito mo yan. Pass down. Okay. Okay, guys, let's dance the freestyle. Okay, why do you hear the song there?
We're going to sing a song about it. When I say freeze, I'm going to freeze.
Dance, it's dance, dance, dance. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands,
Keep dancing.
clap your hands.
Dance.
Go!
Here we go.
Let's
freeze.
Stop. Do not move. Do not
Get ready to
move.
hop.
And hop, hop. Do the hop, 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 hop.
Are you hopping? Hop, hop, hop.
Go!
Ready, and freeze.
Stop.
Okay, we're going to keep walking, but this time on one foot. Let's go.
Hop on one foot. Hop, hop. Go again.
On the other foot. Get ready.
And freeze. Stop.
See
Do
through.
not
Spin
move.
around
And
in a circle.
twirl, twirl, twirl,
Twirl
twirl.
and slide.
Twirl and slide. Twirl, slide,
And slide.
slide.
It must be time to freeze.
Stop. Very good.
Get ready to play. And
Do
glide.
the swing. Swing, everyone. Swing.
Swim with me.
Swing.
I'm swimming. Swim faster.
Swing. Swing faster. Even faster.
Swim faster. Freeze.
Stop. Do not move.
Get ready to do the robot.
And do the robot dance. Robot dance.
Robotic.
Robot. Very good. Robot dance.
Do the robot. I am a robot.
Do the robot dance.
Robot. Robot. Freeze.
And stop.
It's time to slow motion dance.
Do the slow motion movement. Slow motion movement.
Get ready to slow motion.
Stop.
But not for long, because it's time
To
last time to dance.
We will not start yet.
Right name, then KG2.
Hello. Okay, write your name at the back of the paper. Okay, not yet guys ha. This is what you're going to do. You will color the word mom and dad. Okay, you will just put color in it. Okay, put or on mom and dad. But not yet when I say go. Everyone have it now. Everyone. Who doesn't have one? Oh, don't have.
Hindi pa kailangan, pinukulayan na.
What are we gonna say here? So what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Okay, everyone have the paper now.
Yeah. Bakit na?
No, not me.
Or a leaf, just press it to your cookie so it will be attached to the cookie. You can open now. You can open. You can open now. Yeah.
Sit down.
Umaalis na. That's why I told you do not leave your seats. Okay.
Don't eat
Ma'am.
yet. Ah,
Madam,
why you eat?
kulang pa daw si ma'am ng dalawa.
Later, later, later. Don't eat. Put it down. Put it down.
Ayan.
Later. You should... No, don't open it. Sit down, sit down.
Okay guys, wait.
Oh yeah,
I
just
have something for you also, okay? Give me your hands. Your hands.
Don't eat. Don't eat. Don't eat. Later, later. Just wait. You put sprinkles. Just wait. Kinain na nila.
Okay lang po. Sige lang po.
Oh, just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Yeah. Just wait for the sprinkles. Nag-design sila ng sarili nila.
Okay? My question is, what are you eating?
Cookie.
Cookie! Very good! Okay. Next, go back to your seat. I will choose the one who is behave. I will choose the one who is behave, okay? Okay? Oh, dito sila. One more, I will call for boys. Ito ba yung mga boys mo? Come on in, kuya.
Oh, just
Okay.
listen to them. Oh, later, later. Just wait.
Okay, my question is, what food do you like to eat in Jollibee? A chicken! Very good! Okay, I want to call one more in KG1. KG1. Okay, come on here. Come on here, ate. KG1. KG1 is the Okay. My question is, what is the name of your advisor, your teacher?
Teacher Roda.
Teacher Rhoda. And for you, ate, wait. What is his name? It's I'm joking. What is the name of your teacher? Teacher Rhoda. Very good. Kuya, come here. Okay, go back. Wait, ha, okay. Okay, some more.
Okay, sit down.
KG2. Okay, KG2. Listen again. Come on here. Okay. My question is, give me at least one food that you order in Jollibee.
Chicken and rice and gravy.
Kompleto, isang meal, chicken rice and gravy. Okay.
Sherry.
One more. Come on here. Come on here, the two of you. Okay, wait, dito ka ate. Stay here, okay. My question to the two of you. My question to the three of you is, what is the name of your advisor? 1, 2, 3.
Teacher Marley.
Okay, very good.
Everybody sit down.
Wala namang reaction, oy.
Okay, great. So popular secret.
Yeah, sit down.
Great, so popular secret. Ay, nag-happy birthday. Yung music. Good, sit down, sit down. On the scouts, mga kuya, please help the advisors is scouts. Good, sit down. Okay, sit down. Ma'am Marlene. Later, I will call you. Later. Okay, later. KG1, come forward, please. Together with Jollibee, all KG1 only. Grade 1, go to your advisor to your seats. KG1.
Okay, stand up na, stand up. Stand up, go to teacher.
KG1.
Stand up na. Stand up. Go to Jollibee.
KG2, sit down, please. KG2,
Stand
sit
up, stand up.
down.
Stand up,
Okay,
go to Jollibee.
boys, to start.
Stand up, go to Jollibee, take picture.
Okay. Okay, girls, this side. KG1 only. KG1.
Stand up, go to Jollibee.
I am calling
take picture.
KG2, sit down. You will have the chance. Okay? Two. Ate, I will count 1, 2, 3. You will say Jollibee. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Jollibee raise your hand. Okay, go back to your seats, okay? Thank you. KG2, go back to your seats. KG1.
Hindi na naman si Bea. Malungkot si Jollibee.
Hindi siguro Pilipino. Jollibee, Jollibee.
What's your name?
Picture mo sa din sa Jollibee.
Okay, Jollibee will dance for us, kids!
Ano?
No fighting!
Don't
No
fight.
fighting! Zoe, asa Zoe pala yan.
Ay, may picture mo din mo sa kay Jollibee.
Alexa!
Na-effort yung picture mo pag ano.
Oo,
May picture mo yung mga sila.
kaya nga, sige lang magiging ano din yan ni Alexa. Magiging advisor sa KJ2.
Maalis sa mga sa bata.
Oo.
No?
May group yan sila ng picture. Lahat. May group sila. Tapos lahat ng picture pinag-send.
Here's my name.
Baby, ang girl oh, it's okay
Here, no, we can
Friends together. O, dali na.
Okay, KG, sit down, guys.